Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be bolting the heads onto the 406 small block for the Sonoma build. So for this build, I got a newly machined pair of 487 heads with new valves, new springs, all new hardware. I got Cometic multi-layer steel head gaskets. The plan once again with this is to spray it with nitrous. So that's the reason for the multi-layer steel head gasket. Wanted to go with something a little bit nicer, a little bit more durable long-term. And then we have ARP head bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead, I've already cleaned the deck surface, I've already cleaned the heads off, everything is pretty much ready to go. So I'm gonna apply the ARP lube to the bolts and thread sealant to the threads. And you guys can watch me bolt these heads onto this engine. So let's do it. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Got both heads torqued down. Once again, ARP head bolts, Cometic multi-layer steel head gaskets. This has screw-in studs, guide plates. It's some Erson springs and valves. So yeah, next up I'm gonna have to measure for push rod length. It's gonna require different length push rods. You probably noticed as I go through my final torque, I always mark each and every bolt because I'm OCD like that, and I will lose sleep if I think that I forgot to torque something. So I do that and take a picture of every single engine I assemble. Then here's what I used on the bolts today. So just some ARP Ultra Torque. This comes in the little packets. Got about 1.5 million full of these little packets all over the place. And then some Permatex thread sealer on the bolt threads, just because they all go into water jackets. So, yep, stay tuned. Next up, I'll post measuring for push rod length and getting the rest of this thing put together. So that's it for today. Thanks, guys.